Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check and review your Discord account's standing. So if there's any violations or issues you're having. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is sign into Discord and select the U button in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. And then select the gear icon up in the top right. Underneath account settings, select where it says account. Then you want to select the standing tab up at the top, and then it should tell you if your account is all good or if there's any sort of issues that you need to address. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.